Howdy everybody, Billy Jean here from TGIRC. Thank God it's RC. In the last week, I've been busy doing some 3D printing for some upcoming episodes of little mini-movie series that we're going to be starting next year. So I just wanted to kind of show you what I've been up to, and yeah, let me flip the camera and let's see. So I 3D printed this here little trailer, little logging trailer type thing. It's got nice wheels and everything. I found this on PRINTABLES.com. I'll post a link to it in the description of this video. And I also, on Thingiverse, printed a tow truck attachment for the FMS Power Wagon. This is the base for the tow truck. It clips into the body or the chassis of the Power Wagon in the back there and in the front. And then the tow truck simply kind of sits on top. I think I might try and secure it on there with some Velcro or something later, just to make it hold. It kind of holds on there, but it wants to come off. So then I had this situation with, well, I want to pull the trailer with the truck, but I don't have a hitch. So I went to Onshape, and I designed a hitch. So that's it right there. I'm just using a little screw as my hitch ball. So it slides up into the little holes here on the back of this plate, and I just glued it in place. So now that has a place to sit on there, and we can drive the trailer around. And it all kind of looks good together. So let's see. There we go. All right size and everything. So when I printed the trailer, I printed it at 500%. The listing says to print at 350% for whatever tractor that it was designed for. But when I printed it at 500% or 350%, it was just way too small. So I decided to print the whole thing at 500%, and it came out perfectly sized for the FMS Power Wagon. So, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for the tow truck attachment and the trailer. And I'm also going to post my hitch on Thingiverse, and I'll send a link for that. So if anybody wants to print a hitch for their FMS tow truck, you're more than welcome to it. Here in a bit, I'll just add a little video footage of the truck pulling the trailer around. All right, have a great day, folks. This is Billy Jean from TGIRC. If you like my content, please like and subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Have a good day.